Before we get into Get Ready With Me video, I want to announce the winner of the Real Techniques Prep and Colour Lip Set. And the winner is Leslie Ann Sparkle. So Leslie Ann, in the description box is my email. Email me your home address and I'll make sure I have it sent to you before the end of the week. So congratulations. Hi guys, so today again is going to be a Get Ready With Me, except it's the same as last time. I'm just getting ready to film like 2 videos actually. 2 videos that have to be, do they have to be up this week? I don't know. Starting off with the brows.
Train. White train.
Oh, that's so nice you're saying that. It's so nice. I think my brows are just, I think I need to plug them. I don't know, I think it looks okay. Yeah, I think it looks okay. So in my last Get Ready With Me video, I said I was going to get a dressing table because I can't be doing this. I can't be doing this, it's getting annoying. So I am getting a dressing table, so like my setup will be different. At first, I found this dressing table, such a lovely dressing table. It has this gold detail, where the handles are gold. It's fabulous. It's like the same style dressing table, except there's there's 3 styles. So you can get the 2 drawers, or you can get 3 drawers. And then there's another one which you can get 3 drawers, but it's like the size is all different. So I went into HomeSense this week actually, and I realised the dressing table is actually damaged, which is good because if someone buys it, they can get like a discount on it. Because that's the thing about HomeSense, you can get a discount if like something's damaged. This week when I looked at a picture, it's been damaged for a while. I've been looking at a dressing table, all 3 of them are damaged. Like the gold detail in the corner, right, has come off, and like obviously they don't have it anymore. I think the vlog will be up next week, like of me shopping around looking for like a dressing table in HomeSense, and like yeah, you'll see the vlog where I show you like the video of that, when I show you like the dressing table in the vlog at HomeSense. So the lipstick is quite bold. I might need to dim it down a little, right? It's bold. I think it's working. I mean, let me know though. I'm so undecided about this. So that's the lipstick. Let me know if it's really bold. I'm gonna see before I start filming whether to dim it down a little. I feel like it goes with the blue. Yeah, it goes with the blue. That's probably why it's working. I think it's working. I don't know. But if you enjoyed the video, give the video a thumbs up. If you enjoyed me talking about my dressing table drama. Yeah, when I do get the dressing table, I will come and show you guys in a definite like homeware haul, not just like a home, not just like this is my new dressing table video. I don't think I want to do that type of video. I want to do like a homeware haul of showing other things that I got, not just a dressing table. So if you enjoyed the video, give the video a thumbs up. I'm gonna like, yeah, I'm gonna go and work out if I should dim down this lipstick. Seriously. And then yeah, I'll see you guys. Mommy, I keep looking down. Can we work with this?
See?
But yeah, if you enjoyed the video,
Finger.
give the video a thumbs up. See you guys next time.